If you searched how to buy shares of GrafTech International Ltd, this short guide will walk you through the steps. GrafTech makes graphite electrodes for steel and industrial markets and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EAF. This content is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search field and type the ticker EAF to find the listing. Confirm you select GrafTech International Ltd on the NASDAQ exchange. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker EAF before proceeding. Tap the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your GrafTech position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro and further resources is available in the description below.